Hello, my name is Amadou Kane. I am a solution engineer with VicOne, and this presentation is about security assessment in SOAFEE. Without further delay, let's get into the presentation. VicOne is a subsidiary of Trend Micro. As Trend Micro subsidiary, VicOne is powered by a solid foundation in cybersecurity drawn from Trend Micro's 30+ years in the industry. Our mission is to provide exceptional automotive protection throughout a vehicle's life cycle. We deliver unparalleled security solutions for the automotive ecosystem to protect against threats in connected vehicles. We share threat intelligence and provide different solutions in various domains. For example, in vehicle protection, vulnerability scanning, management of the supply chain, and VSOC detection and response platform. Additionally, we help OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers comply with regulations and protect against future threats. As vehicles have become increasingly connected over the years, we can see there is more and more hacking. In research cases in dark web have been increasing in recent years. Here, we would like to highlight two challenges. The first challenge we would like to highlight is that the attack entry barrier is low and easy to implement. For example, there is a person on YouTube showing step-by-step how to use a game joystick to control his own vehicle. And there is another example that is quite popular, and that is of a teenager finding a server design token flaw and being able to use the internet to remotely control all Tesla vehicles nationwide and worldwide. The second challenge that we would like to highlight here is from recent news, we can see that there is more and more target attack against supply chain, like the Toyota case and SolarWinds case, which led to factory shutdown. Similar incidents happen to Tier 1 suppliers as well, and suppliers might get hacked and face some backdoor landing on their firmware without notice. The supply chain in the automotive industry makes this issue even more serious and hard to maintain the firmware with different ECUs. With that, there is also regulation such as the ISO 21434 standard mandate that suppliers are required to follow. The security by design principle, such as V model, extend function safety to cybersecurity. In design phase, it is required to design security concept and to have some validation process and evidence to validate the security requirement in test cases. However, how to validate the security requirement is a big challenge to suppliers. This makes it difficult to come up with attack scenarios and to reproduce or perform attacks. For security by design and validation of the security requirement, we take AutoWare SDV as an example. Several components can be addressed and implemented during the CI/CD pipeline. For example, with threat intelligence, we first create some attack scenario. Then we leverage simulation to perform the attack to check if the security missed the goal. In the past, it was quite difficult to perform the attacking environment due to diversity of the system and architecture. Thanks to SDV, SOAFEE puts the whole EEA and architecture to cloud-native solution. The communication interface can be standardized, and it is easy to integrate with CI and CD with software implementation cycle. Therefore, we would like to contribute to SOAFEE, a security assessment tool with Attack Simulator, which helps OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers leverage SOAFEE Cloud native solution to set up container-based assessment tool to integrate with their development pipeline to ensure security meets the requirement. The tool combines three parts. The first part is our threat intelligence, and the second part is a CAN attack generator based on normal input but hidden to polluted CAN frames. The third part is attack simulator to perform or simulate attacks as a malicious ECU by constantly sending malicious CAN into the bus. These three features are packed as a container and can be run on SOAFEE architecture to perform attack scenarios. Here is the overall attack generator flow. You can record CAN frames to this engine via API, and the engine will perform the normalization and generate malicious CAN frames based on the attack scripts you provide. For the generation input, we currently support different format and schema to perform CAN frame-based attack. Furthermore, for each attack vector, you can also adjust the sequence, reuse, duplicate to perform different combination of different attack cases. In our latest version, the tool has 6 different built-in attack scenarios to convert your normal data to polluted data, like there is a temper or a hack in the ECU. The script and format are customizable. We very much welcome customers and third parties to perform their own attack cases to test their security requirement. The anchors can help define when and how the malicious can inject to the bus. You only need to understand the macro to be able to write script to simulate the attack in the cloud development cycle. The security assessment tool currently supports attack generator with built-in attack. Our goal for the next phase is leveraging the polluted CAN messages based on real data in your environment. The toolkit can also help generate machine learning module with both normal and polluted attack data. With that, the machine learning model can also help during production phases through SOAFEE deployment into vehicle to play as a CAN bus anomaly engine to continuously check if there is a real attack happening on the vehicle. Currently, we support CAN protocol, and we plan to introduce Ethernet as well in the very near future. Here is our plan, still under discussion, for joining the blueprint as a security expert to contribute overall security-related tools such as attack simulator, machine learning training kit, CAN bus engine, and security assessment report generator, and much more in the future. Again, thanks to SOAFEE for providing the framework and lab environment which can speed up the implementation cycle and make it possible for our defense solution to be able to integrate with clients' products in early stages. The seamless cloud and vehicle development process can help our products stay up to date when facing the booming trend of attacks in the future. Thank you for your time. We are VicOne, and please reach out to us via the link below. We would love to hear from you for further questions and feedback. Thank you again.